first outdoor race of the season by Olympic 100-meter silver medalist Kishane Thompson at the Shanghai leg of the Diamond League, where it was basically a replica performance of the Olympic final in Paris last year, where it took a photo finish to separate the American Noah Lyles from Kishane Thompson, the Jamaican. Now fast forward to the race on the weekend. Identical execution by Kishane. Good start. Early control of the race. This time, not quite a dead heat. Akani Simbini caught him on the line in 9.98 and Kishane was second in 9.99. Now, if those two races resemble each other one more time, them could have passed for twin. There is, of course, an emerging thought that Kishane Thompson is dipping at the line instead of aggressively leaning at the line, which of course is a crucial difference in tight races. Also, almost 1 year later, and Kishane is still running only 90 meters up the race. The Maverick rests his case.